Tribe of Buyers family, OMG. I'm Samantha Gooden. I am a transformation coach. I am a marketing strategist, and I love doing marketing consultancy, helping people to build lives and businesses that they want. Ultimately, it's about designing the life you want and doing that with the right techniques and without complicated marketing. So I always knew that that's what I wanted to do, but I wasn't sure how I wanted to do it. And in the last 30 days, I calculated it since I have attended the Tribe of Buyers event and started implementing several of the things out of GGMB and just the rest of the training. I have made over $5,000 under that period. I calculated it like to the day. A month ago, I didn't have that money generated. It's phenomenal, and it's been through a combination of things. Just the great support within this community, the tips, all of the worksheets that are available to us. But I think most importantly, it's just Andrew's heart. Thank you so much, Andrew, for sharing your story, sharing wholeheartedly, authentically. It really means a lot. To jump on training calls, to jump on the mentorship with you guys, it means a whole lot. And if you are wondering whether you can have your own Facebook group and how much it's going to take to maintain, listen, my Facebook group had, at the time when I made my first sales in it for my beta launch, I had less than 350 people in the group. And at that time, we made $1,400. And with the same offer, more people opted in, so we made even more money. And that, here's this. I only opened my offer for 48 hours. 48 hours, opened my offer, I made over $1,400. So, you know, you don't have to have a huge group. I can't wait. I'm going to continue applying growth methods. But the point is, you just want to start. Start right where you are. Get into this program, start applying it, and the sky literally is the limit. It's no joke. So if you're, like on the fence, wondering, should I connect to the Tribe of Buyers team? Should I get into GGMB, group growth and monetization, the group? Do it. You owe it to yourself to do it. I'm Samantha Gooden, and it's been my pleasure just to share that with you, because this team means the world to me. Bye, guys.